Today it's Tuesday, 22 of November 2022, and finally I received the friction washers. Let's go to put the cam adjusters back in place, make the timing, and finally start the car. I hope that they finish on the exhaust. Till now, we're gonna see, we're gonna figure it out. Lifters, camshafts, cam adjusters, friction washers, ARP, back in place, closing it and starting it. Alright, first start after the camshaft adjusters, the plates replacement. You're gonna be like you throw stones inside. Alright, I have said that 1,000,000 times. They have only the lubrication what I put. Go, Mr. Nufu. Still has a stock file inside, it's not been tuned, eh? It's running with these camshafts. A little bit of ticking sound, all the hydraulic lifts are new. Need to reach at 60-70 degrees to stop the sound. Let's hear the exhaust a little bit. Is it open, the flaps?
Open the flap.
Ah. Tell him to accelerate a little bit because it's cold, a little bit. Alright, it's not annoying. Leave it to warm up. We have to remove the sticker here front to breathe the coolers. You can remove it. Leave it to warm up to stop the hydraulic lifters and we are good. What else remaining? They finalize the exhaust.
Yes, I have to put the one button, the flap.
Yeah.
The center console.
Alright. Okay. Need also the cover here. Fine. If I'm free, I'm gonna go to the dyno, where I'm gonna tune it to hear it again. To hear again the engine, to hear again the exhaust, and under full throttle how it sounds. If I remember it and if I'm free, I'm gonna do it. Otherwise, that's it. Classic. What you hear, it's normal. It's the first start after the lifters, cam adjusters, camshafts, and it's okay. Alright, if you watch previous videos, now it's blowing also the air pump. It does have a gallon converter. You can hear it. Yeah, relax. Once again, when it's reaching 70-80 degrees, the oil temperature, it comes quiet. That's it, thank you very much.